Hey folks, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made these little arms to help hold my stock in my CNC plasma fixture. I'm going to start by cutting some 1-inch bar stock to 1 1/2 inches. This is the shape we're going to be cutting into the stock. This sheet cam job, as well as the drawing file, is included in the CNC Fixture drawing files bundle. Alright, compressor on, downdraft on, let's cut the part. I'm not doing anything special, I'm not using any rules. I'm basically just piercing at 0.15 and moving to a cut depth of .06. The overlay is actually from a totally different cut. They're identical. The cut turned out pretty good. I got a little bit of dross on the back side, but that's going to be very easy to clean up. I'm securing the holding arm with a 1032 3/4 inch machine screw and a lock nut. The lock nut will allow you to tighten it to the point where you can still move it, but it holds the lip firmly in place. Since the holding arm sits a little bit above the stock, you need to add a number 632 machine screw and nut. This will act as a consumable in case it gets destroyed. As an option, you can add these little bitty arm extensions that I've included in the drawing files. These sit flush with your stock, so you don't have to add the machine screws if you don't want to. By adding the machine screws, you do get a little bit of clearance in case you have to cut something near the edge. Okay, let's do a little test here. We're going to cut 2 of these little holding arm extensions out of a piece of 1 inch by 1 1/2 inch, 1/8 inch thick bar stock. Now this particular piece of bar stock has been cleaned, so I expect a little bit less dross. It's done just that fast. I made a lot of the holding arms and the extensions because I do plan on using these in a lot more fixtures in the future. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.